y'all doing today? I wanted to show y'all a quick video here, walkthrough on a new brokerage listing. It is a 2017 Skeeter SX230, and this boat is rigged for serious tournaments. Let's start here with the Yamaha 250. It's the SHO, the high output, with the Atlas jack plate, the twin power poles. You've got two seats here, jump seats that fold down very nicely. Great casting deck. Huge tournament release well here. Dry storage on both sides. Second jump seat. Nice leaning post here. If y'all have ever been on a Skeeter, you know that this is an extremely high performance bay boat. It handles rough water very well. Tough hulls. It's a 50-mile-an-hour boat, so it'll get you there. But really nice Lowrance HDS 12. Jack plate control here. Second live well in front of the console. And then of course you've got your iPilot 112-pound thrust. So awesome boat, tons of storage, all your efficient amenities. If you're interested or would like to see this in person, give me a call. My name is Jay, and you can reach me at 225-806-3403. Thank you.